Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Let's see how we can solve question 49 from the second chapter of the Beer&Johnston textbook. And we have these two forces, TA and TB, which we know one of them is 8 kips, the other one is 15 kips. And we know that the connection is in equilibrium. So the equilibrium in here means that the sum of all forces in here has to be 0. And obviously, since we are talking about the free body diagram of a particle in here, which we can call it point O, there is no moment, but in equilibrium condition, we have sum of all moments equal to 0, which is not the case in here. So we need to determine the magnitude of TC and TD. And if we look at this, we can define our X and Y in here. So since we have sum of all forces equals 0, we can do one for X direction and one for Y. And since we have two equation, we should be able to find the two unknowns that we have in here, which are TC and TD. So let's start with the X, see what we have in X direction. So if we look at it, we have TB in the positive X direction. So TB minus TA, since it's to the left, and we have the X component to TD, which is we can see the X would be in this direction and Y would be in this direction. So we have a negative sign for TD, and since we have the angle with X axis, cosine of 40 would be the X component. So that's pretty much all the forces that we have in X direction. And from the question, we know TA is 8 kips and TB is 15. So we should be able to find TD. So we're going to bring TD on the right side of the equation. TD cosine of 40 degrees would be 15 minus 8, which will be 7. So TD in here would be 7 divided by cosine of 40 degrees, which is going to give us 9.14 kips. So we found TD so far. If we do the sum of all forces in y direction, we're going to have this time the y component of TD, which is upward, so it will be positive TD. This time will be sine of 40 degrees minus TC is equal to 0. So basically our TC is 9.14, which is what we found for TD, times sine of 40 degrees. So I'm just going to multiply this by sine of 40, which is going to give us 5.87 kips. And that's going to be the final answer for this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We are covering 3 different textbooks for engineering mechanics in this channel. Feel free to check out the playlist and let me know if you have any specific problem that you want me to cover in the next videos. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next one.